fam. So in this vlog, I am going to show you several different ways that you can do some very simple, easy, and affordable home decor and home artwork for very low cost using Dollar Tree products or things that you already have at home. Also, some of the products came from Walmart. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you have photo frames around your home that no longer fit the design style of your current design, you can always change them. You do not have to throw them away. You do not have to donate them. You can always change them. Simple painting will always do the trick. We no longer need these. I did not throw them out because even though they no longer fit our style, I am going to paint them to fit our new style. So with that being said, let's get started with a DIY. Right here, you see me using some white acrylic paint to paint the smaller frames white to match the larger frame. And I'm using just some acrylic paint that I bought at Walmart. And I'm using a foam brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree also sells white acrylic paint for $1.25. Even though the larger frame was already white, I decided to touch it up as well so that all three of the whites will be the exact same white. Now what you see me using is a white spackling paste that I purchased at Sherwin-Williams for like $7. I'm going to be using this on the inside of each frame to create my design. However, you can buy this at any hardware store, and I believe you can also buy this at Walmart. The amount of spackle that you decide to use is clearly up to you, but I wanted mine to be pretty thick so that it completely covered up the writing and the color that was already on the frame because it is a used frame, as well as allow for me to be able to make some carvings in there once I got it on nice and thick and not show that background. Here I am just taping off the frame with some painter's tape so that I can start painting the spackle to match the room. These paintbrushes also came from the Dollar Tree, and I want to say they come in a set of 3 for like $1.25. And the paint came from Walmart, and I want to say it might have been maybe 50 cents a bottle. Okay, so my next DIY is also going to be with some simple products, mostly from Dollar Tree. It will be this plant, I guess it's a garden dish. Got this for $1.25. This fish bowl from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Some baking soda. It was 69 cents from Dollar Tree. I got some more leftover paint. This I got from Walmart. Brush from Walmart, no, Dollar Tree. And some E6000. I'm gonna be making some home decor. The first thing you want to do is secure the two items together. So I'll be using that E6000 glue. I'm going around the rim of the fish bowl, and then I'm going to attach the garden plate to the top, and I'm going to make sure that it's right in the center of the plate so that, of course, it looks aesthetically pleasing. As you see, I'm just holding it firmly to make sure that it adheres and that it does not separate or that it doesn't slide. What you see me doing here is adding baking soda to my paint. The baking soda allows for you to have texture to your paint instead of it just being a flat paint. The amount of baking soda that you use is completely up to you. It depends on if you want it to have a lot of texture versus just a flat, paint, or the more baking soda you add, the more texture your paint or your piece has. Once the bottom and the outside of it is dry, you definitely want to flip it over and paint the inside. Now that the paint is completely dry, I've taken it outside and I'm going to be spray painting it with a stone spray paint. I bought mine at Hobby Lobby, but you can buy it at Michael's. You can buy it at, I want to say Walmart, and you can also buy it at any hardware store. My next DIY is going to be using these 3 Dollar Tree foam rings. They were $1.25 each. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be doing is actually cutting 2 of the rings so that I can connect the 3. The rings already look like they've been cut and glued together, so that's the exact space that I'm going to be using because it's already cut in that spot. Right here you see me using some E6000 to connect the pieces back together. What you don't see me doing, I'm also going to be using my hot glue gun to connect the two, and then I'm going to put some tape to kind of just hold it together while the glue adheres. Yeah, while it adheres. Now that the pieces are all like connected again, I'm just lightly sanding those areas that I glued. You don't have to do this step. I just chose to do it. As much as I hate sanding, I did it, but you don't have to because you're going to be using textured paint, but it's completely up to you. I'm once again going to be using that baking soda and acrylic paint mixture. Once again, it's completely up to you how thick you choose to make it. Mine was a little bit thicker than before because of the texture of the foam. And I wanted to make sure I got into all of those crevices. But like I said, it's completely up to you. Now that the paint is all dry, I'm going to also be spraying this with that stone spray paint and letting it dry. Okay, so for my next DIY, I found this metal ball. This is metal at Dollar Tree for $3. These are usually at Hobby Lobby for anywhere from 20 bucks to 30 bucks. I'm going to spray paint it black. They usually come either black or silver sometimes at Hobby Lobby. I have silver and black, but I'm gonna spray paint it black. All right, guys, there you have it. I've given you multiple different easy, simple, and very affordable DIY home decor and artwork that you can do right at home for very, 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 very little cost. I hope you all found one or maybe two, maybe three that you feel that you can do or that you like or would like to try. So that's it for this vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these type of vlogs, let me know in the comments and I will bring you more of these type of vlogs. All right, have a good day.